Hello, book lovers. This is Miss Jana from Miss Jana's Learning Cafe. I am so excited today to get to share with you some of my favorite books. I'm actually going to show two today, right now, but I wanted to show you we've got two of your Choose Your Own Story. We've got Shadow Chaser and Curse Breaker, and these are super fun. When I first started seeing people buy them, I was like, oh, I should get one to see. And they're a choose your own adventure story, but it's also like a game. So let me explain a little bit about them and warn you that if you end up doing these, set aside some time. My first time reading it, I spent about 3 hours. So you will need your book, you will need a pair of dice, and I recommend a log or a notebook. In the front of the book, I'm trying to find it, there is, both of the books have a log book here that you can use, and then there's a QR code somewhere else. I'll have to look for it, but somewhere else there's a QR code so you can download more of the logs, and you're going to need them. So the whole idea behind these books is you're going to start off, you have, well, there's a QR code, see, you scan that, you get more logs, but you start off reading, it's a choose your own story. So right here we read just a little bit, and then suddenly you have to make a choice. Where are you going to do? What are you going to do? And then you have to turn to that entry. Throughout the whole book, there are different creatures that you come in contact with. Some of them you have to do battle with, and this will tell you, like, you have this opponent, you've got to get through 4 rounds. These are the lives that you have, and that's where you are rolling your dice. A great storyline, trying to solve the mystery, trying to figure out what's going on in the book, and make it through alive. So that is just really quickly what I wanted to show you. It is amazing. They have both been super fun, and I highly recommend them.